Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So if you have an Hisense Vidaa Smart TV and maybe it's lagging and you want to do a factory data reset, all you're going to do is go to settings, and when you get to settings you're going to go to support. So you're going to scroll down and go to support, then place OK. After going to support, you're going to go to reset to factory default and you place OK, and this will give you a prompt of reset and also a prompt of to save some data that you might need, for example browsing data, some apps, but we want to reset to factory default. You press on reset. It's going to bring a pin that you have to input in order to confirm the reset. Like for example, now my pin is 6860. So if I input that, the TV will automatically factory data reset and it will go back to the factory default, and this will help you to make your TV run smooth, maybe erase some bugs, and help you to have a smooth sail with your TV. And this is going to take few minutes and your TV will go back on. All you need to do, you will have to just set it up, select the language, select the country you're in, and the rest you can skip and set later after the TV has fully set. You can skip the rest and just go to your TV home screen setup. You can set up the Wi-Fi later, your channels later, maybe parental control later, your zip code later, and you can again use your TV. So if you want to factory reset your TV, go to settings and then go to support, go to reset to factory default, and you'll be able to reset your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Thanks for watching.